How to sign up for a free account on Blocksurvey. To begin, simply click the link in the description below to open the Blocksurvey webpage. Once the webpage is open, locate the Sign Up for Free button and click on it. Upon clicking the button, you'll have several sign-up options. You can choose to sign up using your email, Apple, Google, Discord, GitHub, or even your Blocksurvey wallet, Lether, or Ethereum account. For this tutorial, I will be signing up using my email. Now simply enter your full name and your work email address. Once you're done, click the Continue button to proceed. After clicking Continue, Blocksurvey will automatically send a verification code to the email address you provided. Make sure your email is active and retrieve the code. Retrieve the verification code from your email account and enter it here. Once entered, click the Continue button. Great. Now Blocksurvey will provide you with a 24-word recovery code. This code is essential for accessing your account on a new device, so please make sure to save it in a secure location. Once you've saved the keywords, click the Download and Continue button. Perfect! Now simply click the Get Started button to proceed. Here, you'll be asked to answer a few questions. Just follow the instructions and input your responses accordingly. When prompted with the demo question, you have the option to click Yes if you'd like to book a demo. However, if you prefer to explore on your own, simply select No. Once you've made your choice, click Next. Lastly, input your main reason for using Blocksurvey into the provided field. Once you're done, click the Submit button. And there you have it. You have successfully created your Blocksurvey account. Congratulations!